I got fall off, man, and the same people them we are rude for you, them I got disrespect you because you're not perform. Your song sound crummy, your voice sound weak. You're not a punch night. You understand me, bro? If you release a song like that, bro, better get some personality, yeah, man.
Don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah, man, I want to come here and talk facts, cause see some people in the comment found you make them one bag talk and you know, but more make them know say see when we depend them panel and attack. You see me? Yeah. We forward straight to pick a side. You see it? I saw you think that some vlogger maybe now come out and pick them side cause they maybe now want make some of my people them cut. But when we talk facts and we explain, we break it down. We now move no bias, we now go around and certain little things. You see it, cause everybody have them opinion. But people, me see a Gaza girl run out. Some of the time, I wonder, Gaza fan, why no can't pay no artists sang them more attention like how you pay ALKALINE sang them? Cause I see clipping of people and I wonder what go on. I say wait, Kartel release so much song, you get all quality video and all of them something there. Oh, me nah so no come out and talk about it. ALKALINE drop a little one song. And I say, yo, wait, then I went since Gaza fans so care about ALKALINE releasing song. I so no really care. We don't feel like disappointed till that. So wait there. Only now come out for an artist song. How what happen? Jano me tell me say yo Kartel have a wrong set of fans, you know. Yeah man, wrong set of fans, man. Where them fi focus on them now focus on them the man music. So ALKALINE music alone. As ALKALINE drop a song them come up, but we have to hear these people and hear what she say.
Please, a song called Priority and it not do good. You get what I say?
Jano, just say song not do good. Then if your song not do good, why you come out and talk about it then? Remember say you're a Gaza fan, you know. Why you come out and talk about it?
ALKALINE biggest problem in too self-centered. That's ALKALINE biggest problem in him. I don't know how long do we him lose in personality.
Yo, dog, man, tell you, yo. ALKALINE stress out the Gaza fan, you know, I tell you, you know. Yo, a first in a history, me see a man be himself and it's like it's a problem to the Gaza fan them. Imagine, you tired of an artist coming out him thing now? When you want ALKALINE to do, like, oh, you care so much about ALKALINE, how go on?
If you watch about the old video them how him did, you know, kind of a little bit more upbeat and, you know, do good interview and, you know, he's an intelligent youth, you know.
People, Jano, I don't know, I feel like them people are some undercover fans of ALKALINE, but it's like, them just can't take the backlash. Like, some of them, I tell us them run with the Gaza thing because of hype, you know. Yeah, man, that's what them run with. Cause I can't believe, say, yo, the artist wanna say on the rate, you know, so okay about him sang them, about him personality. What's the problem?
Understand me? I mean, I don't like me yet ALKALINE or whatever. I'm my artist. I'm a Gaza fan straight from day one.
But you're a Gaza fan and you come at about ALKALINE and him personality and this and that. Like, you shouldn't even care. You shouldn't care about Kartel thing. What happened? Kartel drop music with video, everything. Me nah see none of you come out and talk about the song or the video. When ALKALINE drop song, you come, yo, you like this song, yo, wait. Who no really want the music from? Who no artist or ALKALINE? What's the problem?
But I tell you know me I say, my youth, if you going to continue, so you're going to fall off, man, and the same people them we are rude for you, them are going to disrespect you because you're not perform. Your song sound crummy, your voice sound weak.
People, I can't believe this. This woman say ALKALINE song voice sound weak. Then wait, Kartel song there, what them a release and what them a perform for on stage? What kind of voice that? How much people go listen to Kartel song them and hear it in their voice? Yeah, say ALKALINE song them Ray and this and that. But at the end of the day, you want him to do better as a Gaza fan. You know it's sad. See an artist who I know your artist drop song and you come with it and you like you want better. What's up? What's the problem? Kartel go no much song and video and you still can't satisfy?
You're not a punch night. You understand me, bro? If you release a song like that, bro, better get some personality, man. Because you go do a song where for the girls them my youth and it just sounds so lame, brother. People,
let me tell you this. That's why I love react to them video. You know? You hear our voice on, it's like, you know when you just forward for us hate, you just do a video for us hate. Like you know no explanation, you know no reason for do it. It's like you do a song for the girls and but yo, it's like wait, Alkaline do music for him fans them and who rate him. Enough of the girls them like the song. You a Gaza girl, you come out and cry, you know. I cry, you cry, no. I mean, know you listen to the song. Me know you listen to the song. We know you stay already, no matter what Alkaline release. You understand? And this is the reason, you know. That's why I rate Alka. Yeah, man. That's why I rate Alka. Because it show up, it expose a lot of uno. Oh, no. Critique people. Like critique artists thing, or no bring down artists. No reason, just hate. Just because a man no bow down to a man on certain things. Is it?
You have to love woman if you can't do good girls.
But wait there. Wait there to rot it. Then wait the people. The song, the girl song them were Kartel a drop. People want to know listen, you know, because no one media facts attack, you know. See? The girl song them were Kartel a drop with all Aishana. But come in a face and this and that and Ray. What kind of song them that? So Alkaline come out and sing about priority for the girls them. Keep them priority right. You understand? Firm and strong. And my next man I sing about come in a face and this and that and Ray. And I'm going to talk about what Alkaline do on a quality song. But for no artist I put quality song. No sense, man. No mad. That's what I'm telling you, underrate quality music. A slackness on the deal with.
Yeah, I don't really think like say my youth you really have the spot there like you love woman, like you know what I say, because you're so conceited and self-centered though. You think the whole world revolve around you. So you can't come and say you're gonna do a girl song and make everybody and it's a trend on TikTok and make everybody a dance to it. And you know what I say? Well,
yo, John, may I tell you. People come get that Gaza girl. May I tell you. Come get that Gaza girl. Because me know say when Alkaline do woman girl music, a quality music, what the girl them love. The song them a Kartel do with girls. It's like him a deal with them like trash. Go listen to girl song them and listen to the lyrics in the song. It's like no business about them. You understand? You look like he would throw dirt pan them. Throw anything pan them. So me not understand what you try to say. It look like me no know. Like why the Gaza girl them wants the song them Alkaline? Why they don't want it from Kartel? What happened? No man, this not look good, man. This not look good. So Gaza girl crying for more Alkaline songs. What happened so?
Because you just think that this whole fucking world just revolve around you and music. So much artists out there were bad man youth. You understand me? You have Skilly Bang, you have Sking, all of them youth that do beer girl song and mash up the whole place and everything there. You know what I said? I don't know about you just knock.
Brother, why me I tell you? I don't know what you talk about. I don't know how come Skilly Bang and Sking and every look. But you know what the worst thing? We don't know talk about Skilly Bang and Sking song them, you know. At that type problem. You know what is the problem? We don't say the song not good and rare. But the song them were good and now come out and say them good. But the song them were bad. We don't forward those and critique it and this and that. And the song them were good enough for come out and talk about. Not the song were bad, so you show you say bro, enough of now come out and just hate. A quality song that, brother. You understand? Quality song that. Maybe we don't want to hear the bag of skin out and this and dash out this and rare. But Alkaline deal with the girl them with respect. You understand? And that's the problem. Maybe we don't want that. Maybe through your Gaza girl who not used to the spoil you and all of them look something. They need the dash out and the freaky and the all of them look something there. That maybe that's not used to.
Bro, I just know why and you get so big and you know you loyal fans them, which is not wrong. You understand me? Them are back in everything what you do, but you have to face the reality, you know, bro, and stop lying to yourself and believe it. You're not connect, bro. And you start try you shuffle up because you think Kartel when I go stay in a prison forever. You understand me? You start shuffle up and I try different things.
Boy, me I tell you people. You see what me I talk about? This is the reason why these people focus on Alkaline and try to connect Kartel with Alkaline. Alkaline they are road for 13 years. Kartel they are prison for 13 years. So in the so-called Gaza world, them feel like say Alkaline and vybzkartel, and that's them problem, you know. So Kartel come a road now. So Alkaline appreciate yo me fi shuffle up. Yo, I'm telling you what no mentality from day one to not do this. And it's like it's to me it's like a very dangerous obsession with the youth. Yeah man. Why we no can't talk about Alkaline without Kartel? That more I know. Why we not reason and not critique Alkaline? Kartel have a cup. We not try to say Alkaline make Kartel thing look relevant. Adapt no. Every time we not talk about Alkaline. See? Kartel name. And that's what we not rate with the industry, you know. That's what we not like. You see, we not critique artists. We not bring up a next man. We say, yo, him not do good like this and Ray. Because enough of you know, if Kartel is still there prison, enough of you know have all them chat here. Me I tell you already. Me I tell you already, no for uno.
You conduct your interview with Hugh. When name the Hugh something on that, brother? You conduct your interview with Hugh. When name the Hugh something on that, brother? Like a real dumbass, brother. That interview then already. You know from you know much of the dancehall artists them from Buju to Bunty were the interview, brother, where legendary before internet come about, you usually walk about the place and when Bunty do an interview, you know, bro. The whole Jamaica play about it. I play the interview. You understand me? Because the man they just you know what I say?
Boy, interview. Me I tell you, so when the whole industry hate you and want to bring you down. Imagine so many artists to interview and them never talk about that interview there. You know why? Because them artists they're not relevant. Bunty do an interview with ALKALINE with them. I know if Bunty did do the interview, they wouldn't even talk about it like that. Just because him call ALKALINE name in the interview and that's why it go viral. You saw me I try to tell the people, ALKALINE make some of them people even in the picture. You understand? Because calling him name gonna make them go viral. And that's a fact. Imagine a Gaza girl coming out, yo, you know like interview, you know like this. Kartel do so much interview and never hear them come and talk about it. So and I one ALKALINE do until this day it still have them in them feelings. Yeah man, you see it?
Have humor in them thing even though them serious and militant and dark when them ready. You understand me? Humor them in them thing. You just did it over there so like are you alone? I like are you alone artist. And you alone, you know much artists come out of Jamaica, bro. If you continue that way, you're gonna last in yourself, brother.
Yo. I tell you it's a full time soon coming. All you know talk, you know. You know say ALKALINE go last and all of them. You know been saying that from him boss. And 10 years, 11, 12 years pass and this you still a call him name. So when things are gonna happen? Because no for you know, if you not call ALKALINE name, nobody no sue no. And that's the problem. You know depend ALKALINE name all the while. If you say, yo, Ray, no problem if not dead if you no forward and reason, you know, and talk something. But when not talk, it now make no sense. You not be biased, you not bring up some other artist thing. Now make no sense.
Remember me tell you, you're gonna last in yourself and you can't go find a connection there for come back into the music. You understand? You need to work with a different producer too, bro. Because the producer they not tell you the blood clot right thing. You have too much money.
Jano, the producer. Ah boy. Him for work with a different producer. Why may I tell you to right? Everybody care, you know. Care about ALKALINE song and him producer them. Youth, me I tell you people. Yo, when I go see the reality now, wait till the reality hit. Remember, no for one man.
You're not taking a chat, you understand me? You're not be more down to earth and just deal with some people. You know what I say?
Deal with who? You feel like say the people them who are release music and somebody, you think the people that take them side? You think people not, you know, producer will say Gaza and say, yo, them not work with ALKALINE? So I don't understand what you try to say. Because at the end of the day, the producer need the artist and the artist need the producer. It's not about no producer. Maybe you want ALKALINE to go link some producer where maybe a link on some rhythm saying like what Russian do and everybody depend on rhythm and Ray and Tay and no, that's how ALKALINE work. You understand? It's like the youth are the owner thing. Pick him owner side and no one try to steer him life or no want to change him personality because his personality is not like this man. Like some of the time when you fall upon the media and you realize what I say, you know. Yeah man.
Of that down to earth spirit that you think you're too much up in the sky. You understand me? That's a mash up, bro. Kartel are the biggest thing right now and him not behave them type of way.
Yes, so me I try to tell you Kartel effect again. She say Kartel not behave them way. You see that's what I tell you, you know. From ALKALINE boss, you know. Them a compare Kartel with the youth. Kartel with the youth. She a critique the youth and I say things and always a bring up Kartel. Yo, Jano, I tell you people.
You understand me? Him fame and him legacy now get to him head. Your fame and your legacy I get to you. That's what you move.
ALKALINE fame and legacy I get to him head. People, you know hear that a while ago? ALKALINE fame and legacy I get to him head. A youth when they on social media, you know the bag of drama and all of them look something there. A youth where stick to himself. Him fame and thing I get to him. People, you understand that? When your fame and thing I get to you, don't you out there, you hype, you're in the media and all of them look something there. You want people drama. Don't do that when your fame I get to you. When you're bossy, you're on the road and you hype up yourself. So how come ALKALINE fame I get to him and one bag of thing? When the youth isolate himself and society and still a feed him fans. I don't understand that. You not contradict yourself because the way you attack that sound like your artist. Your artist that.
So stop up, brother. So for all of the vendetta fans that come on the internet and talk about Bunty killer this man. Bunty not this man, the truth him I talk about. You understand me? The man has no personality, the man has no flex. Him lose it along the way.
Let me tell you this. So Bounty Killer forward up and do an interview and say a man tell him boy mother in him DM. And him act up and him a say, yo, anyway him buck him have to defend that and Ray and Tay. A Bounty act like a fool. Bounty a big man, him shouldn't even be Alkaline of mine. It shows the militancy is with Alkaline. Bounty Killer no militant. When you militant, you don't make anything get to you. And you're in your feelings. Until this deal called long, Alkaline said that. And it's still in him heart as a man. Him still in so it show you. You understand?
So come and whatever and did have it, but if lose it along the way. And stop bumbuckle and tell the youth, fuck crime is what make him feel like say. First of all, bro, Alkaline a big like Skillibeng. He's not even big like Shensia. Wanna stop the fuckery.
Yo, I tell you, say, yo, the Gaza people that need help. Yo, Kartel, go help your people, them dog. I tell you, go help them, bro. Them too loose. Them too loose. But, brother, all we not talk like, we not talk about Skillibeng, this and that and way. Alright, when I say Skillibeng bigger, but tell me why you say him bigger. I don't understand. Because at the end of the day, no time sang them we go big. See, right now, seeing that little one with Tyler we go goal. See? At the end of the day, Skilly now pull the crowd, the Alkaline pull. That's one thing. See, so I don't understand how much hit song Skilly have. What Alkaline have. See, better not say, yo, based on commercial wise and certain little thing because I label him sign. Yeah, people more know him that way there. But we are talking about music, we are talking about crowd pulling. Skilly not have that Skilly drop album, that not gonna away. You understand? We not see some little posts and certain little things. We not gonna take away from the song them we have on certain things, but when you say bigger, how? In what way? Bigger how? Because the artists were bigger supposed to pull more crowd than the artists were smaller. You understand? And Shensi and Skilly signed to label. But when it comes to crowd pulling, then you understand in an equation. Yeah, Shensi can pull out some people and things, yes. But we are talking about Alkaline have him own show, we are headline him own show. You understand? Him when go do a songs, him a pull him crowd them. But we see what Skillibeng do. What Skillibeng do for himself, we are talking about for himself. Him have crocodile teeth and thing, but and the wap. But after that, when him have where they show them when if Kartel no call him and show on certain things, when him think there. You understand? Sometimes I have to explain these things when I make on talk. You understand?
You understand me? Let's stop the fuck. Some man sound so stupid. I'm say, remember name Jeff Freer. I don't even know what the man so stupid. Man say priority sound good and that song where
people, why Alkaline song priority hurt the Gaza fan? I don't understand. Them shouldn't care. Like if a song flap, it does flap. We just love it. Let's not talk about it. Why it hurt to know? And that me I say, you know, why it hurt to know? Eh? What? You not use good music or what? I don't understand. Or through Kartel their road now, you not find every little excuse to just try bring down a music and certain thing. And that one know.
You know, one big bad Benz and pack up with one girl. Wish it. You're madman, bro. It's song player, you know, in any car. Top car or normal car. Hit song. Nobody not fit debate a hit song.
People, you know, say it's so sad for a Gaza girl come out to talk about Alkaline music. Yeah, may I tell you. You will never see a vendetta girl come out to talk about Gaza music. May I tell you that. If you don't see people, send me in my email or on my IG. If you don't see a Gaza girl I talk about, if you don't see a vendetta girl I talk about Gaza song. Yeah, man. You will never see that. Because I know vendetta people, them not really pay certain thing no mind about when man drop song and rare or whatsoever and talk and I get up. Like Gaza girl, I can't believe this. Gaza girl stressing out because of Alkaline song. Jano, look away. So I'm doing an artist a drop song, you know, man. The world boss a drop song, you know. Only not talk about it, I go on.
Step on the internet and a debate Alkaline fucking song to say. Some say it sound good and some say it not sound good. It don't sound good, bro.
You know, me not understand. Why when Kartel drop a song, nobody not debate about it? No. Like, you man drop video, Alkaline drop a audio, you know, people. You not see no video, you not see Alkaline, you know. You just have to hear hard and listen. Why when Kartel drop a song, nobody? Me not see nobody debate about his song and a video. Something not right. Yeah, man. So when Alkaline drop his song now, everybody at a war go on. No must. When everybody talk about something, I must go the good. See? I must go the all one Alkaline fan come and talk about his song. So, me say, I want to expect. The man drop a song for you girls them. Me never see one Gaza Vendetta girl come out a bad boy song, but you see a Gaza girl come out a bad boy song. Jano.
A long time we in this bombard thing here, man. Some of the disgusting like alkaline song.
Yo, you know what? I say you so when you hurt, you know. You hurt, man. I say you go, man. We see say it's song that we are dropped by artists. Nah, really do nothing really. You see me? So I really not talk about uncertainty. You see me? Yeah. Cause if a song where your artist did a drop, did a hit the real way, you would not come talk about alkaline song. That's how you think, but big up on yourself. You see me? Cause if alkaline a drop song, you don't have nothing to listen and critique about. You see it? Yeah, man, people, you don't know what things set it up. Me the facts, you know. Boy, Jano, come like when alkaline. Alkaline dance all me in danger, you know. Me I tell you. Me said them can't call alkaline name without cartel that involved in it. I don't know why them can't do it. But that's how you think go. Are two great artists them so. You know? That's how you think said from him squad, from prison. Alkaline. Everything what alkaline do. Him have to do it to please cartel. Me don't know how that come about. He would drop a song. Oh, yo, a cartel him a talk about. Yo, a cartel girl. Brother, you don't think say man love man? You don't think say alkaline makes cartel? It's like, yo, brother, let me tell you this. If you're a man when they do media and certain things, bro, when it's like you don't realize you focus on music, you understand? The youth not do media and not show up in lifestyle and certain things. It shows that yo, the youth don't want no attention, the youth don't want no fame. You understand? And get up every day, yo, the youth are going like him all this and that just because he would be himself and stay far from society. You understand? So them not have nothing to talk about. But as I think said, big up on yourself, you know, people. Don't know me the facts, you know. That is it.